This is an emergency action message. At approximately 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NORAD is tracking 15 ICBM nuclear missiles inbound to the following cities: Orlando, Miami, Pittsburgh, Dover, Newark, Richland, Philadelphia, New York City, Baltimore, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Boston, Seattle, Detroit. This is an extremely deadly situation. If in your home, move to your basement immediately. The ICBM missiles are expected to strike within the hour. If currently in your vehicle, find a sturdy structure with a below-ground room. Do not stare at the nuclear flash. Massive loss of life is expected. The President of the United States has deployed 35 counter-ICBM missiles and will address the remaining nation after the missiles have impacted. The nuclear fallout is expected to be extremely high. All civil persons should remain below ground until further notice. Keep all radio communication channels clear unless for government agency use. If possible, pack as many food rations as possible to stay alive. Stay tuned. The next emergency message will be a presidential address.
Weekly test of the emergency alert system in 3, 2, 1.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Here is another required weekly test of the emergency alert system in 3, 2, 1.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is the 15th time tonight. 15!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baltimore County Sheriff's Office. A riot has taken place near Johnny Unitas Stadium after the Turkey Bowl. The riot is most likely a result of high school rivalry and the outcome of the game. At least 17 people have been injured and 2 fatalities have been reported. The riot was reported to start at 7376 Usher Drive in Towson, Maryland, and was reported to be at Rogers Forge Elementary School, on its way to the independent city of Baltimore. 10 car crashes have occurred as a result of the riot, and 3 cars have exploded, adding 7 indirect fatalities. This is a very dangerous situation. Firearms are likely to be involved, and more fatalities and injuries are likely to follow. You are encouraged to return home or find a person you know's house with permission and shelter. Lock all doors and windows, as this riot could last for days. If somebody you know or in your family is in a nearby hospital or a store, do not be alarmed. These stores or hospitals have taken their own precautions to protect their people. If you are driving near the riot, drive home or to your place of refuge. If you live near the riot and are at home receiving this message, lock doors and windows and get into a basement with food, water, and a battery-powered radio. If you are in danger, you maybe have to be vigilant and fight back. If you see the police, do not be alarmed. They are there for your safety. Do not use public transportation, as this may be a subject of violence. The police have been dispatched to deal with this situation, along with the National Guard.